Actually, the sad news is that my friend is no more.
Oh, this one's broken, man. See, so dangerous.
Alright, so let's start our journey.
Let's go to LANGVOKU.
I am Berg on an unforgettable trip. With my closest friend, we had been planning this adventure for months, eagerly anticipating the break from our daily routines, and we chanced to create new memories together. If you have idea, do it right now. Those great ideas are worthless and meaningless, floating around in your head. You need to get them out into the screen.
Camera lah. Pupe mah betul. Oh, betul. Tapi langsung mati. So we are the first person here coming.
After we reach here is so dangerous and he feels that it needs to be safe anyway.
Oh, here is so dangerous. You don't know, here is so dangerous, man. I don't want to go outside. It's too dangerous, man. Finally, the waterfall is here. Finally, we reach here right now in LANGVOKU. Here is the LANGVOKU place. This is the waterfalls of LANGVOKU. And now I'm so enjoying here. And now we are going to enjoy with my friends. This is my friends, one friend, and also back my friends also having here. And so here the place where I want to swim here, because here is a little bit safety here, and then that part is not too much safety. So that's why I just want to swim here and enjoy with my friends. But just first now I just want to eat something, not dinners, just breakfast. Okay, first of all we need to eat first breakfast, and then we have to first, and then we will enjoy here the waterfalls, and let's enjoy the cinematic views, or maybe just enjoy. Let's enjoy together. I will show you the place, and only this much. The upside also having there, but also I will enjoy here. We are the first person here coming now, morning, because no one is coming, because the weather is still feels like the rain is going to become rain, and also we are going to enjoy here because my friends. Actually, the sad news is that my friend is no more, so it's very sad for me. And yeah, I posted the last video also that seeing Crow, he is no more, and now I'm so sad. Reach here in LANGVOKU, I heard that my friend is no more, and I'm so sad today. But I don't have motivations, but but I'm trying here to enjoy, guys. So not everybody, just let's enjoy, and then after that, yeah, whatever, let's enjoy. Anyway, guys, my friend is not waiting for me. Only alone me. See here, no one here. See, my friend is already gone. I just need to follow my friends. Oh man. Nowadays I'm always talking with man. I don't know what happened on me, but my friend is going upside, maybe something. It's upside, and only me are here.
Procrastination is so easy and so much fun. It's amazing any of our gets anything done at all. This question is what actually prompts you into actions, what it is you actually get up and do something. It is fear, right? Curbing the temptations to procrastination is one of the skills successful screenwriters and filmmakers have, and you don't need any film school to learn.
Only alone me. No one is waiting for me. I'm alone. Here is so dangerous, man. How can I do here? My pen is so tight. Alright. Let's do it. Let's do it. Oh no, this one's broken, man. See? So dangerous. Thôi, đọc enjoy mà. Good. Okay, let's enjoy here. The viewpoint is so jungle, and this is the place. And here also play too much. So anyway, let's get dinner. Not dinner, I forgot to say, let's eat some breakfast. So we need to clean this all. After we eat this one, we will clean this all. Don't make dirty on nature. Okay, that's the rule. Okay, we clean all. Now we are going to swim right now here. Only boys, no girls. Single people can enjoy everywhere, whatever they want. Single people can enjoy everywhere, so that's why I just want to swim here alone. I don't have girlfriend and I don't need girlfriend. And just that's all. I just want to enjoy myself. Guys, I just want to take risks because my mobile phone don't have waterproof. But anyway, let's jump here. Oh man, you're cool. Water is so cool right now here. Yeah man, enjoy. Okay, so we are enjoying here right now. This is Ruto and that is General and this is Sabo. Finally. Yeah. It will be nice. So we are making with friends that we make videos, but my friend told just take me a picture, but I take like the videos. Anyway, guys. I came here in Sydney right now here, the place that we don't know. I mean, right now also I came here after after LANGVOKU. I came here in Siluni right now here. You can see this one backside. I came here, and I will show you the backside. We are going to enjoy here also. After we visit on LANGVOKU, after that we come here in Siluni right now. So we are going to enjoy the place. In 1 day we come 2 picnic spot, and here is the second spot. So we are going to enjoy here. After that we will go home, and now we are going to bath, something like that, and then yeah. So you can see that's all. Actually I just want to say something about that. Okay, alright, so here is the last videos I shoot today, and I will show you on the next day or maybe next video. So see you on next video or next day, I don't know. But now we are going to enjoy on the rivers, on picnic spot. Here the name is Siluni. I mentioned on the previous video also that I came here previous also, and now we are just coming here to really enjoy with my friends. And yeah, that's all. I just want to bath and enjoy with my friends, because single life is always happy. Anyway guys, don't be sad, I'm just joking here. Anyway, so let's go. My friend is waiting here already. We are going to enjoy here on Filmmaker. Đó là tại chốt for ready. I'm also going to enjoy. Alright, so now we are going home. Peace out. Take care. Bye bye.